Hello student, how are you? We are doing trigonometry of class 10, exercise 8.4 started. I have done till number 5, number 2 perhaps in the previous class. So today we will start next to number 5, number 3. So start now. Exercise 8.4 class trigonometry, question number 5, number 3. We will take the left hand side, tan theta by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta by 1 minus tan theta. This is the left hand side. Right hand side is given 1 plus sec theta into cosec theta. So we will get it later, okay? So take the left hand side, convert 10 to 10, you can write sine by cos, and cot you can write cos by sine. Cot we can write cos by sine. Similarly, cos theta by sine theta, cot theta equal to, and tan theta equal to sine theta by cos theta, okay? Now this is the numerator, sine theta by cos theta, and simplify the denominator. What is the LCM? Sine theta, what we will get? Sine theta minus cos theta. Similarly here, this is the numerator, cos theta by sine theta. What we will get here? LCM is cos theta, what should be here? Cos theta minus sine theta. Okay. Now, see this divided by this. When we convert this into this, it becomes reciprocal, no? So sine theta into sine theta, what we will get? Sine square theta by cos theta into sine theta minus cos theta. Understood? This into this here. Sine theta by cos theta. Divide, when you will convert to multiply, this will become reciprocal. What will become? Sine theta by sine theta minus cos theta. So that's why sine square theta by cos theta into sine theta. Okay? Plus, similarly here, what will be here? Cos square theta by sine theta into cos theta minus sine theta. But see, this is sine theta minus cos theta. This is cos theta minus sine theta. If you write cos theta minus sine theta is sine theta minus cos theta, you know you need to take minus common. Okay, so this sign will become minus. Understood? If you write b minus a, then it can be a plus b, minus a plus b, then minus common. If you write b minus a minus b, what you will do? Minus common. Now final simplification, what is the LCM? Sine theta into cos theta, sine theta into cos theta into sine theta minus cos theta. So cos theta cancel, sine theta minus cos theta cancel, sine theta into sine square theta, what will get? Sine cube theta, and here cos cube theta. So AQ minus BQ formula you have A minus B cosine theta minus cos theta into A square sine square theta plus B square cos square theta plus AB sine theta into cos theta. This is AQ minus BQ factor formula. A minus B, A square plus AB plus AB plus B square divided by, what is that? Sine theta into cos theta into sine theta minus cos theta. Okay. This is a very clear cancel. Okay. Now I can write here. I will write here clear then. See, sine square theta plus cos square theta, we have formula 1. identity, first identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta 1 plus sin theta into cos theta by sin theta into cos theta. It can be separated, this by this, 1 by sin theta into cos theta plus this by this to 1. And what is 1 by sin theta cosec theta? What is 1 by cos theta sec theta? Reciprocal, no? 1 by sin means cosec, 1 by cos means sec plus 1. This is the right hand side. It is little 1 here. You can write this is 1 plus first, then sec theta into cosec theta. This is the RHS. Okay, hence proved. Convert tan and cot in the form of sin and cos, then you easily, then simplification only. Okay, then we will go to the next sum now. Next number 4. Question number 5, we write the question first. Okay, 1 plus sec theta, sec A by sec A is equal to sin square A by 1 minus cos A. The hint is given. They are saying simplify LHS and RHS separately. Okay, you can follow, but not compulsory. See, hint will not be given in the exam, in the test. So either you can start with left hand side, try to get right hand side, or you can start from right hand side and try to get. So I am starting from right hand side. We can start from left hand side also. There is no fixed rule here. Any way you can do it. So what is right hand side? Sin square A by 1 minus cos A. What is sin square A in terms of sin? See, this idea, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So what is sin square theta? 1 minus cos square theta. So similarly, what is sin square A? 1 minus cos square A by 1 minus cos A. Okay. A square minus B square form, what we will write? 1 plus cos A into 1 minus cos A by 1 minus cos A. So what is left? This is cancel. What is left? 1 plus cos A. Still we are not getting left hand side. So you know cos can easily be converted to sec, the target. So convert cos reciprocal of sec, so 1 by sec A by sec A. Okay. By only, sorry, then what is the LCM? Sec A, what you will get here? Sec A plus 1 or 1 plus sec A, same thing. And this is the left hand side. Okay. We have started from right hand side, now we are getting left hand side. So understood this? Easy, quite easy. Number 5 now. Question number 5. Very important sum for all the test, all the exam. Number 5. Cos A minus sin A plus 1 by cos A plus sin A minus 1. We need to prove equal to what? Cosec A plus cot A. Okay. See, we need to get cosec A. How will get cosec A? Cosec is 1 by sin A. How will get cot? Cot is cos by sin. So this is cos. So divide the numerator by sin A and denominator also. So take the left hand side. Cos A minus sin A plus 1. Divide by sin A. LHS equal to, and then if we have just divided the numerator by sin A, we need to divide the denominator also by sin A. So cos A plus sin A minus 1 by sin A. We have divided both the numerator and denominator by sin A. Now separate it. What is cos A by sin A? Cot A. Sin A by sin A 1. 1 by sine A cosec A. Okay, and this one cos A by sine A, what you will get? Cot A. Sin A by sin A, what you will get? 1. And 1 by sin A, what you will get? Cosec A. Okay. Now, write down first this cosec. Cosec A plus cot A minus 1. See, what is the other identity? Cosec, there are three only. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. So this is cosec A, this is cot A for minus 1. What we can write? Cosec square theta minus cot square theta. This is the identity. This will equal to 1, so for 1. Understood? Cosec A plus cot A minus 1. 1 is 1 only. This should just copy only. Write down cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. We have not done anything of the denominator. Now keep it in the bracket. See, this is A plus B. This is A square minus B square. A square minus B square. A plus B into A minus B. So A plus B is very clearly common. So take cosec A plus cot A common. What will get here? 1. What will get here? 1. Minus. What will get here? A square plus B square. A plus B is taken common. What is left? A square minus B square. So cosec square, sorry, A B to write A, not theta. Okay. So what we will get? Cosec A minus cot A. But because of this minus sign, this sign will change. Okay. Understood? A square minus B square. What you write? A plus B into A minus B. This is A plus B is common. What is left here? 1. What is left here? A minus B cosec A minus cot A. But because of this sign will change. And what is the numerator? Denominator. See, write down 1 first, then minus cosec A, then plus cot A. Okay. Can you see here? This time this has cancelled. What is left? Cosec A plus cot A. And this was the right hand side. This is very important sum for all exams. 3 marks question. You can have different method, but this is the shortest. Can you repeat it? Divide both the numerator and denominator by sin A to get the this idea I will get from here. Okay, then simplification and use this identity. Okay, even hint is also given. So that's all. We'll go to the next sum. Very interesting, very easy also and important also. If your general math concept is clear, advanced student will get benefited in the advanced math trigonometry chapter. Okay. Now number 6. 6. We need to prove 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A is equal to sec A plus tan A. Take the left hand side. 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A. Then 1 plus sin A. We need to remove the root, okay? Multiply by 1 plus sin A. Here also 1 minus sin A into 1 plus sin A. We have multiplied both the numerator and denominator by 1 plus sin A because it was 1 minus sin A. We have the identity from here. So what we get here? Same thing 2 times. So 1 plus sin A whole square. And 1 minus sin A into 1 plus sin A, what is here? It is in the form of A minus B into A plus B. What is the formula? A square minus B square. Okay. Now, don't split the formula. You break the formula, you will get different thing. Because we are trying to remove the root sign. So, it is already a square, so very easily removed. So, leave it. 1 plus sin A whole square. What is 1 minus? See, 1 minus sin square theta is what? Cos square theta. So, can we write here? Cos square A. Now both square can be removed with the square root sign. So what you will get? 1 plus sine A by cos A. Separate it. 1 by cos A, what you will get? Sec A. And sine A by cos A, what you will get? Tan A. And what is this? This is the right hand side. Okay. So enjoying it, very easy to understand. Next, number 7. Number 7, sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta by 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta is equal to tan theta. Take the left hand side. Take the left hand side. Sin theta minus 2 cos cube theta by 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta. What is common here? Sin theta common here. Very easy. 1 minus 2 cos. Sorry, this is to sin, no. Sin cube theta, okay. So when you will take sin theta common, what will you get? 1 minus 2 sin square theta, okay. And by what is common here? Cos theta. Cos theta. So what we will get? 2 cos square theta minus 1. Okay. Sin theta by cos theta, so very clearly you know tan theta. This is tan theta. And 1 minus 2 sin square theta by this sin by cos already have written tan. What is left? This only. So you know you can convert cos in terms of sin. Cos square equal to what? 1 minus sin square. So this cos square 2 is here. Cos square is 1 minus sin square theta minus 1. Either we simplify the numerator or denominator, not the both. What is here? Tan theta by 1 minus 2 sin square theta by, remove the bracket, 2 minus 2 sin square theta minus 1. See here. 2 minus 2 sin square theta minus 1. So this is tan theta into 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2 minus 1, what we will get? 1 minus 2 minus 1, 1 minus 2 sin square theta. To cancel, what is left? Tan theta, and this is the RHS. Okay, left hand side, sin theta common, cos theta common, sin theta by cos theta, tan theta will get. Either will simplify the numerator or denominator. So cos square is 1 minus sin square from this identity, and that's all. Okay, easy, very interesting. Very easy exercise. We have the idea. We should have a practice to the relation between the ratios. Question number 8. Number 8, sin A plus cosec A whole square plus cos A plus sec A whole square is equal to 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. Take the left hand side. Left hand side. See, A plus B whole square formula we can write A square plus B square plus 2AB. Again, A plus B whole square, what we can write? A square plus B square plus 2AB. Understood this? A plus B whole square formula, simple only. This sin square A plus cos square A, what we will get? 1. See here. You know sin A equal to 1 by cosec A. So sin A into cosec A. Sin A into cosec A, what we will get? 1. First, okay. What is cosec square A? Cosec square A is what? 1 plus cot square A. For cosec square A, what you can write? 1 plus cot square A. And this is 2 because sin A into cosec A 1. So 2 into 1. This cos square is sin square already we have used here. What is third identity? Identity number 3, there are 3 only. Sec square a minus tan square a equal to 1. What is sec square a? 1 plus tan square a. So this sec square a, what we will write? 1 plus tan square a. Again, cos a is reciprocal of sec a, no? So 1 by sec a. So cos into sec, what we will get? 1, so 2 into 1. Okay, this is 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, 7, plus, what is this? Cot square a plus tan square a. This is the RHS. Same thing, no? Tan square a here. Understood this? A plus b whole square. Write the formula. Sin is reciprocal of cos. Sin will be 1 by cos, or sin into cosec 1. Similarly, cos into sec 1. And sec square in terms of tan square, 1 plus tan square. Cosec square in terms of cosec square is 1 plus cot square. So this is the, okay. These 3 identity are needed, so I can leave here. Okay, or I can write here also. Number 1, this is 2 cosec square minus cot square. Third one only 3, sec square minus tan square. Okay, now we will proceed to the next sum. Which number now? 9. Question number 9. What is cosec A minus sin A into sec A minus cos A is equal to 1 by tan A plus cot A. Take the left hand side. Cosec A minus sin A into sec A minus cos A. Start now. What will write this? Cosec, what we can write? 1 by sin, and this is already sin, into sec, what we will write? 1 by cos, and this is already cos. Okay, what now? LCM we will take then. Sin A 1 minus sin square A. Okay, and this is LCM is what? Cos A here 1 minus cos square A. Okay, so 1 minus sin square A, what you will get? Cos square A by sin A. And here 1 minus cos square A, what you will get? Sin square A by cos A. Okay, then this cos cancel, sin cancel, so what you will get? Cos A into sin A. See, we are not getting right hand side. Okay, so leave it till here. This is the left hand side. Now simplify right hand side. What is right hand side? 1 by tan A plus cot A. To convert this, tan what we will write? Sin by cos. And cot what we will write? Cos by sin. So take the LCM. What is the LCM? Cos A into sin A. Cos cancel, sin A, what you will get? Sin A square A. And what we will get here? Cos square A, this divided by this, we will multiply, it will be reciprocal, so it will be here cos A into sin A. And by this is what? Sin square theta plus cos square theta 1. So 1 what we will write? So see, we have simplified the left hand side. We have got cos A into sin A. Right hand side we have got. Sometimes if you will not get right hand side directly, it can be even hint is also given there. So in the last, just you have to need to write, therefore LHS equal to RHS. Okay, understood? We have this time we have simplified both left hand side and right hand. We have got equal results, so they are equal. Okay, now number 10. Question number 5, number 10 is there, S10. 1 plus tan square A by 1 plus cot square A is equal to 1 minus tan A by 1 minus cot A whole square is equal to tan square A. Here we should write the first expression, second expression. So take the first one, first expression. What is first expression? 1 plus tan square A by 1 plus cot square. You know cot can be 1 by tan, reciprocal tan square A. Understood? Now simplify this. What you will get? 1 plus tan square A by what is the LCM? Tan square A. How much will get here? Tan square A plus 1. This divided by this. This will go up, no? Tan square A into 1 plus tan square A. This will be here. And tan square A plus 1 or 1 plus tan square A is the same thing, no? So cancel. So what we have got? This is tan square A. Now take the second expression. Second expression. What is second expression? 1 minus tan A by 1 minus cot. We can write 1 by tan whole square. Okay. So thus again simplify 1 minus tan A by what is the LCM? Tan A. What we will get here? Tan A minus 1. This is whole square. This divided by this, when you write multiply, it will be reciprocal. So what here? Tan A into 1 minus tan A by tan A minus 1, we will take minus common. What we will get? 1 minus tan A. Understood this? This is tan A into 1 minus tan A minus 1, after 1 minus tan A, we need to take minus common, then it is cancelled. You know minus square is plus and tan square A. So this is tan square A only. So this equal to also tan square A, this equal to also tan square A. So that's why we will write in the last, therefore 1 plus tan square A by 1 plus cot square A is equal to 1 minus tan A by 1 minus cot A whole square is equal to tan square A. Hence proved. This equal to this equal to this is also tan square A. This is also tan square A. They are equal. Understood? Okay. We have completed number 5 now. Now number 6. Question number 6. Number 1. We need to prove tan to the power 4 theta plus tan square theta is equal to sec to the power 4 theta minus sec square theta. So take the left hand side. What is left hand side? Tan to the power 4 theta plus tan square theta. What is common? Tan square theta. What is left? Tan square theta plus 1. Okay. Now see this. What is sec square theta equal to, what you will get from this identity? 1 plus tan square. So what is 1 plus tan square is sec square. So this is the sec square theta. And what is tan square equal to? From here what you will get? Sec square theta. Transpose 1 this side, minus 1. Tan will be this side. What you will get? Tan square theta. So for tan square theta, what we can write? Sec square theta minus 1. Sec square theta minus 1. Remove the bracket, what you will get? Sec power 4 theta minus sec square theta. And this was only the R axis. We have used this identity here, okay? Sec and tan. Sec can be converted in terms of tan. Tan can be converted in terms of sec. What is sec square equal to? 1 plus tan square. But what is tan square equal to? Sec square minus 1. Keep it, remember this. Okay, then 6 number 2 is similar sum we have done in number 5. 6 number 2, okay, 6 number 2 I am doing. Not similar, 6 number 2. What is there? Cos theta by 1 minus tan theta plus sin theta by 1 minus cot theta. We need to prove sin theta plus cos theta. Take the left hand side. Cos theta by 1 minus tan theta plus sin theta by 1 minus cot theta. Then cos theta 1 minus tan theta, we can write sin theta by cos theta, and sin theta cot theta we can write cos theta by sin theta. Tan sin by cos, cot cos by sin, this much only. Now simplification. This is what? Cos theta by, what is LCM here? Cos theta, what do we get here? Cos theta minus sin theta. Okay. This is sin theta. What is the LCM in the denominator? Sin theta. So what we will get? Sin theta minus cos theta. This will go up, cos into cos, cos square theta, and here cos theta minus sin theta. This will go up, sin square theta. This is sin theta minus cos theta, and this is cos theta minus sin theta. If you write sin theta minus cos theta as cos theta minus sin theta, now only I explain, this sign will change because you need to take minus common. Now LCM is what? Cos theta minus sin theta. What we will get here? Cos square theta minus sin square theta. A square minus b square, what we will get? A plus b into a minus b, cos theta minus sin theta, by cos theta minus sin theta. So cancel, what we will get? So cos theta plus sin theta. This is the RHS. Okay. This we have done. 6 number 2. Okay. 6 number 3. 6 number 3. What is there? Sec theta minus 1 by sec theta plus 1 is equal to cosec theta minus cot theta. Take the left hand side, sec theta minus 1. Here also sec theta plus 1. Multiply this time by sec theta minus 1 because plus is there. So here also sec theta minus 1. How much will get here? Sec theta minus 1 whole square. Here sec square theta minus 1. So what is here? Sec theta minus 1 whole square. And sec square theta minus 1, what you will get? Tan square theta. So this is tan square theta. What will remove the square sign? Sec theta minus 1 by tan theta. When you remove the square root sign, root square sign will be removed. You know it can be separated. Sec theta by tan theta minus 1 by tan theta. What is sec theta? 1 by cos theta. And what is tan theta? Sin by cos. Sin theta by cos theta. 1 by tan to very clearly cot theta. No. This cos cancel. What is left? 1 by sin is what? Cosec theta minus cot theta. And this is the RHS. 6 number 4 and 5 are very easy sum. 6 number 4 and 5 are left for you to practice. Okay. So today this much only. In next class we will complete this exercise from 7, 8, 9. Little bit lengthy. So it cannot be completed here. Okay. Thank you student for paying attention. I think you are understood. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. And please share to your friend also if you get it benefited, you find it easy then. See you in the next class with the complete solution of this exercise. That's all.